In today's video, I am going to teach you how to build Google Forms by importing from Google Sheets. To begin, open the Google Sheet that contains the information you want to turn into a form. This works best when your sheet is already organized, with clear column headings and consistent entries underneath. Taking a moment to confirm that your sheet is neat will make the form building process smoother and help prevent confusing fields later on. Once your spreadsheet is open, look at the top menu bar and select Extensions. This is where Google Sheets connects to add-ons and tools that can expand what your spreadsheet can do. Using an extension is helpful here because it can convert your sheet structure into a form format much faster than building the form manually. In the Extensions menu, find and click Form Builder for Google Sheets. This will open the form building tool connected to your spreadsheet. Depending on your browser and settings, it may take a second to load, and it may open as a sidebar or a new window. If you see any prompts requesting permission to run, follow the on-screen instructions so the extension can access the spreadsheet. This is a normal part of using add-ons in Google Workspace. Next, click Start. This begins the process of generating a Google form based on the data and layout in your sheet. Starting the tool is the point where the extension begins reading your spreadsheet and preparing to create form fields that match your structure. While it loads, avoid editing the spreadsheet in another tab, since changes during the import process can sometimes cause mismatches. After you click Start, the tool will guide you through building your form from the spreadsheet content. Keep your sheet open so you can quickly reference headings or adjust your layout if needed later. A useful tip is to make sure your field names in the sheet are descriptive, because those names often carry into the form and help respondents understand what they should enter. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.